In today's video, I am going to teach you how to connect Google BigQuery to Google Sheets. To get started, open Google Sheets and create a new blank spreadsheet, or open any spreadsheet where you want the BigQuery data to appear. You can do this in your browser, and it is best to use the same Google account that has access to your BigQuery projects. Once the sheet loads, take a moment to confirm you are in the correct file, because the connection you create will be tied to this spreadsheet. Next, go to the top menu area in Google Sheets and find Data Connectors. This is where Google Sheets keeps its built-in options for connecting to external data sources. Click Data Connectors to open the connection options. If you do not see Data Connectors right away, make sure your browser window is wide enough, or look carefully along the menus, since it can be easy to miss. In the Data Connectors menu, choose Connect to BigQuery. This is the option that links your sheet directly to datasets and tables stored in Google BigQuery, so you can bring in data without copying and pasting. After you click Connect to BigQuery, Google may prompt you to confirm permissions. This is normal, because the sheet needs authorization to access BigQuery resources. Now click Get Connected. This confirms that you want to begin the connection process and proceed with setting up access. At this point, follow any on-screen prompts that appear, such as selecting the correct Google account or approving access. For the smoothest experience, make sure pop-ups are not being blocked by your browser, since permission windows sometimes open in a separate dialog. Finally, click Highlight. This action selects the relevant connection item or area that Google Sheets is drawing your attention to, so you can clearly see what is being connected or where the connection is being applied in the interface. Use this moment to double-check that you are working in the intended place in the spreadsheet before moving forward with any additional configuration. Once you have completed these clicks, your spreadsheet is set up to connect with BigQuery through the Data Connectors workflow, and you are ready to continue using the connector features inside Google Sheets. And that is all there is to it.